Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a Joann's haul and a Dollar Tree haul. We're going to start with Joann's. I think everything I bought was on clearance except for one item. They had these pom-poms or Valentine's pom-poms. They're 300 count and they were originally, let's see, pom-poms here. $7.99. I got them for $2.39. I heard that was a bad deal for them. So I got that. And then I got this little packet of sequins, word sequins. It says love, and then it's some X's and O's. And I think that says love too. And the little hearts. And they were originally $2.99. I paid 89 cents. Then I got these Chanel stems. They were originally $7.99. I paid $2.39 for a big package of them. Once in a while, these come in handy. And then I came across this pack. I don't know the original price. Maybe it'll tell me. But I paid $2.97. Yeah, it doesn't tell me. And I thought it was pretty. I like the colors. So that's what it looks like they got on the back. And then I found these stencils. They are in American Crafts. They were $2.97. And I know they were like $8 originally. I remember reading that. But you get 3 in a package. I didn't think that was bad. So you got this flower design one, a square one, and then this one. So I picked 2 of them up. One's for friend Teresa. I'm sending it one to Teresa as a thank you. And they we are cinch pliers, noodle knees wire clippers, and they were $3. And I thought, that might be interesting for $3. They were originally, let's see, what were these originally? Clippers. Oh, it doesn't say, but I imagine they weren't $3. And then I came across this, and I thought this was interesting. Oh, and I paid $7.99 for this. It's We Are Memory Keepers, and it is a easy grip ruler. And I like the fact that this side was metal, and then this side was plastic, and then it has this little thing. In the middle. It presses down. If you have the right board, you press it down and it sticks. But I don't have the board. But I went to buy a metal ruler and it was like $8. And so I saw this and I thought, hey, I get 2 for 1. And I figure it has this little suction thing that I don't know if that's a magnet. Let's see. Non-grip foot. So probably somehow it's not supposed to, but I liked it anyway, so I grabbed that. Remember, creepers. And the last thing I'm from Joann, and I used my coupon on it, and then my phone app wouldn't work, and this lady gave it to me anyways. So I got a 3-in-1 Fabri-Tac. I hope this. Oh, I didn't grab 3-in-1. I hope it works. I meant to grab the Fabri-Tac. I grabbed the wrong bottle. 3-in-1. I think it'll work anyways. Crystal clear instant grab, fast drying glue. Hopefully it works. And I got it for $11.99 with my coupon. Alright, that's my Joann's. Let's go to Dollar Tree. So I picked up the large canvases. Got 2 of them. And then I got the 8x10s. Whoops. 2 like 8x10 sizes. Then I know I had Sabrina pick me some of these up. And I came across some of my own, but that's alright. Sabrina, I still want. Because the blue. the pink and the like lime green. I love this green. So I had Sabrina, she saw it, pick it up for me too. They only had these in my store. That's all that was left in my store. So hey, I got that. Picked them up. Alright. Picked up some Stickles for the Riley Roo for her Easter basket. I thought they were cute. I'll show them. And then I came across these, and I had never seen these in my store, but I have a plan for them. It says it's a coaster. I swear to God, somebody's like, just put this stuff all, because like they had it, and they changed their mind, and they grabbed what was left, and they're like, oh, hide it. So I found these and these all in the same spot. So I was like, So I thought they were cute, so I grabbed them. And I couldn't find, I asked the lady, the clerk, if there was more of these, but because there's 4 in the pack. She told me they were at the end cap and there weren't any there. But when I went to the end cap, I found these Garland Flowers. I thought they were cute. So yeah, she told me where these were, and there weren't many there, but I had them there. So I grabbed that. I thought they were cute. And I had the big pom-poms. I got 2 bags of those. And I grabbed 2 small bags of white. I needed this at Christmas. But now I'll have them. And then I bought these for Riley's Easter basket because I do little Easter baskets for my grandkids. And I thought they were so cute. They've got little, and they're like shakers. I haven't seen anybody haul these. Little planets. And they're made by Momoko. And they're like the little donuts. I bought myself a donut. And I bought Riley set. They're like little shaker donuts. And then they have little flamingo. And little hot dog puppies. Wiener dogs. And some have sweaters on. And I don't remember what this called. And then a little emoji shake as well. And then, oh, I thought these were adorable. Ready? Little avocado. They're so cute. And then some rainbows. I got them for Riley for her Easter. They're so cute. The little rainbows. I just love the avocado. Should have bought myself a set of avocado. Emojis. And then maha. I don't remember what to call them. But I thought they're so cute. I love the donuts. There are the stickers. And last but least, I got 4 of these. I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree. They say candy jar on them. They have this lid, but mine ain't gonna hold candy. Mine's gonna hold. Puffball. Boom. There we go. So, and they come with the little lid. I wish the lid's screwed on, but it just sits on top, but that's alright. So I got 4 of them. And that is my big haul, everybody. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.